Okay, so somebody told me to make a video of me burping. So I said, okay, I will. And here I am now, fixing my hair in the mirror right now. I need to wash it. So yeah, I got a bottle of Diet Coke, because that kind of helps. It's all like caffeine and stuff. Like I really don't need anything to burp. So I burp like a dude when I want to. All the time. Cool. People look at me weird at lunch or whatever. It's hilarious though. Gotta love Diet Coke. No, it was weak. I have to stand up to do this. I can't sit down and burp sometimes. Sucks. Let's see. Who's out there? No one. I'm bored. But yeah. I'm bored, so I do random things. Yeah. There we go. My room echoes. Cha-ching. I guess people think it's weird that a girl can burp louder than a guy sometimes. Some people think it's pretty cool. Some people think it's like disgusting and ever. I think it's hilarious. Oh hey, I found the I found the thing I was looking for. Because this girl and I aren't best friends anymore. So I have to get this back to her. Or whatever. She gave it to me. So I have to give it back to her. I'll wear it for a little bit, I guess. It was a keychain. I put that tape on it. Put it back on the belly for it. Work on my burping, bro. It's getting a little iffy now. Yeah, what I'm looking for. Son of a crackhead. Oh yeah. Yeah. Okay. But me and my friend Anthony, my friend Bria, and my friend Abby were dancing in the rain, I want to say. Wednesday? I think? No. It was Thursday? I don't know. Sometime, I think it was Thursday. Yeah, it was Thursday, I think. But, we were dancing in the rain and everything. It was so much fun. Like, people took videos of us and everything. And people were screaming at us, get out of the rain and everything else. It was hilarious. But yeah. I've had a pretty good week. Except for my dad's being a total douchebag. I think that's another marker. You're right on the window. Oh yeah. Respect the hatchet, man. Just cause I'm wearing it. Respect it. I love hatchet, man, bro. Psychopathic records and all that other stuff. All majorly only listen to ICT. That's the major one I listen to. Yes, ICT. I don't know why, it's just like one of the major ones. But yeah, I'm probably gonna end up taking my camera to school this week and like just to make sure, see if it rains and have somebody videotape it for me and put it up there on YouTube for you. Cause I don't know if there's videos up on YouTube or whatever. I looked like a dyke that day too. That was a funny thing. And my question is, if you don't like me, get a like and quit posting me on your status. Honestly, that's the way to aggravate me. This girl named Danny Lewis, my friend told me, she posted about me and my friend Bree I was saying, people in my school dancing in the rain really now they smell like wet dog. First of all, I didn't smell like wet dog. I smell like my conditioner. And second of all, I don't take a shower. I'm not a mutt, honey. I'm not what you are. I'm not a fake poser or anything like that. I'm sorry. I'm really not. She is so fake. It's not even funny. It's so aggravating because I used to know her. She was nice and well. Hey, they have fun. Well, I'm gonna stop this video. I'm gonna go outside and hang out. Bye.